Hello students, today I am going to teach you assignment of second semester examination. मैं आपको फिर से एक बार देती हूँ ब्लैंक्स. साइंस सब्जेक्ट है, साइंस की है. ब्लैंक्स में देती हूँ, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फ्रॉम चैप्टर 10. नंबर 1, इन कॉकरोचेस एयर एंटर्स द बॉडी थ्रू स्पाइरेकल्स. In cockroaches, air enters the body through spiracles. 2 number, during heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. 2 number, during heavy exercise we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. 3 number, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15-18. Number 3, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15-18. 4 number, a large muscular sheet called diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. Now chapter 11, number 1, the fluid part of the blood is called plasma. Number 1, the fluid part of the blood is called plasma. 2 number, the blood vessel pulmonary vein carries oxygen-rich blood from lungs to the heart. Number 2, the blood vessel pulmonary vein carries oxygen-rich blood from lungs to the heart. 3 number, doctors can get clues about the condition of our heart by listening heartbeats through a stethoscope. 3 number, doctors can get clues about the condition of our heart by listening heartbeats through a stethoscope. 4 number, kidney is an important organ of human excretory system. Kidney is an important organ of human excretory system. Now chapter 12, number 1, fungi occurring on bread produces dash for asexual reproduction spores. Number 1, fungi occurring on bread produces spores for asexual reproduction. 2 number, zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes in sexual reproduction. Number 3, an embryo results in a seed after fertilization. Number 3, an embryo results in seed after fertilization. 4 number, fertilization process in flowering plant occurs in ovary. 1 number, fertilization process in flowering plant occurs in ovary. Now chapter number 13. Number 1. The heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute. Number 1. The heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute. 2 number. The instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is odometer. 2 number. The instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is odometer. 3 number. In the distance time graph is shown on the x-axis. In the distance time graph, time is in blanks right here. Time is shown on the x-axis. 4 number. A cyclist moving at the constant speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. 4 number. A cyclist moving at the constant speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. Now chapter 13. Blanks 1. Motion of a bullock cart on straight road is dash motion, linear, oblique, translatory मोशन कहलाएगी. मोशन ऑफ अ बुल्लॉक कार्ट ऑन जो स्ट्रेट रोड होती सीधी रोड इज लाइनियर ऑब्लिक ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन. 2 number. The runners A, B, C and D taking part in the race of 100 meter. 2 number. The runners A, B, C and D taking part in the race of 100 meter takes time of 10.5 second, 11 second and 10.3 second and 11.4 second respectively. Then the fastest runner is C. The runners जो है ABC and D taking part in the race में लेते हिस्सा और 100 मीटर की दौड़ में takes time of A ने कितना लिया है 10.5 सेकेंड, B 11 सेकेंड, C 10.3 सेकेंड and D 11.4 सेकेंड respectively. Then the fastest किसने कम टाइम लिया है? The fastest runner is C. 3 number. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed. Number 3. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed. 4 number. Time interval between two successive no moon days is called 1 month. 4 number. Time interval between two successive no moon days is called 1 month. 5 number. Time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called periodic time. 6 number, the time interval for 20 oscillations of a pendulum is 36 seconds. Then its periodic time is 1.8 seconds. 7 number, the basic unit of speed is minute/second. Minute per second, the basic unit of speed is minute per second. 8 number, the heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute. 8 number, the heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute. 9 number, the instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is odometer. 9 number, the instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is odometer. Number 10, in the distance time graph. In the distance time graph, time is shown on the x-axis. 11, a bullet is fired from a rifle with a speed of 720 minutes per second. The bullet will strike the target 3240 minutes away in 4.5 seconds. 12 number, the constant speed of a train is 100 km per hour. Then that train would cover distance of 20 km in 12 minutes. The constant speed of a train is 100 km per hour. Then that train would cover distance of 20 km in 12 minutes. 13. A scooter driver reads the odometer reading as 16,340 km at 8 a.m. and starts journey on the scooter at the constant speed. He reaches his destination at 9:30 a.m. and at that time he sees the odometer reading as 16,400 km. Then at 9 a.m. the odometer reading would be 16,380 km. 14. Sunset, sunrise, etc. all are periodic events. Number 14. Sunset, sunrise, etc. all are periodic events. 15. When a body covers equal distances in unequal time intervals, then the motion is said to be non-uniform. 16. A cyclist moving at a constant speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. A cyclist moving at a constant speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. Now chapter 14. Number 1. The proper combination of two or more cells is called a battery. Number 1. The proper combination of two or more cells is called a battery. 2 number. Shorter and thicker line in the symbol of the electric cell represents negative pole. Number 2. Shorter and thicker line in the symbol of the electric cell represents negative pole. 3 number. To draw circuit diagram in electric circuit with the help of symbols is very easy. To draw circuit diagram of electric circuit with the help of symbols is very easy. Or in the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament. 1 number. In the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament. 5 number. The coil of wire in an electric heater is known as element. 5 number. The coil of wire in an electric heater is known as element. 6 number. The electric bell works on the magnetic effect of an electric current. 6 number. The electric bell works on the magnetic effect of an electric current. 7 number. The full form of MCB is miniature circuit breaker. 8 number. A current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. Number 8. A current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. 9 number. An electromagnet is made up of a coil. 9 number. An electromagnet is made up of a coil of insulated wire wound around a soft iron rod. 9 number. An electromagnet is made up of a coil of insulated wire wound around a soft iron rod. 10 number. Electromagnets are used to separate magnetic materials from the junk. 10 number. Electromagnets are used to separate magnetic materials from the junk. Number 11. Switches are used to open and close the electric circuits. 11 number, switches are used to open and close the electric circuits. Number 12, full form of CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. 12 number, full form of C compact fluorescent L lamp. The full form of CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. 13 number, before buying any electrical appliance, we must look for ISI mark on it. 13 number, before buying any electrical appliance, we must look for ISI mark on it.